Okay, so one way we can solve this issue is by having a little mini computer, and this one is called a Raspberry Pi. And that stick that's sticking outside, it's because it's on Wi-Fi, but we could easily put an SD card with an internal module on it, but that would have a public IP address, which I do not want. So this is basically going to be used simply in the private network at home. So this box is not the same exact color, but if I can mount it somewhere, and I have to ensure that it is powered. I think this one, it's basically 5 volts and no more than 2 amps, so which is pretty reasonable. It does not have a switch, so that's something that I wish it did. It's a mini USB for the power. There is basically where there is an HDMI port to connect this to some sort of display. And we also have an audio device input and Ethernet capabilities and 4 USB port for our inputs outputs. Okay, so now I guess it's put this thing on there and get it on the network. We're using a Microsoft Ethernet, and which is also Bluetooth, I think, for the Wi-Fi. And not the latest and greatest, but it will get the job done. And we're gonna start getting some data here.